healthy and strong. Let us introduce ourselves to you one by one,
and it'll be a lot of fun
to learn everything you need, all that you should eat. We're so glad to meet you. I'm Mr. Protein. I'll help you grow up into strong women and men. If you've been sick, I'll help you get healthy again. My name is Mr. Protein, and I'm here to help you. You can find me in meat and eggs and fish and chicken and milk and yogurt and cheese, rice and nuts and beans and grains and even in lentils and peas.
He's here to help, he's here to help you.
The name's carbohydrate. I give you energy to work, think and play. I'll keep you going strong throughout the day. And you know I'd like to say, I'm so glad to meet you. You can find me in bread and rice, potatoes and cereals, fruits and veggies and leaves, nuts and noodles and sugar and honey, molasses and everything sweet.
My name's Miss Vitamin, and I'm Miss Mineral, her very good friend. We help protect when sicknesses try to get in, and we like to tell you again, we're so glad to meet you. You can find us in oranges, lemons, papayas, and pineapples, guavas and tangerines, fish and liver, tomatoes and carrots, spinach and all kinds of greens.
They're glad to meet you.
We'd like to tell you once more,
To keep you strong and healthy is what we're for.
we're here to help you all to be healthy for sure. You will grow up more and more. That's why we tell you to eat your greens,
And all your beans, your meat and cheese,
your tangerines,
finish the fish
from off your dish,
eat all your rice.
and add some spice. It's really nice. You like it if you